Hey, welcome to week 4 for advanced math topics. Again, first of all, this document that I'm going through will be available in Google Classroom. It has links and so forth, informations for you. Also remember that anything that you've missed so far from week 1 to week 3 can still be turned in. Just make sure that you're taking a nice picture of it. And then on that picture you should have the name of the assignment to kind of help me out there. So again, we have a few things this week. I have a video on the law of sines, section 3.5, kind of an introduction. Law of sines deals with non-right triangles but does work with right triangles as well. Followed by a video with our lesson notes, and then a worksheet. I think it's got 8 or 10 problems on it. And again, just have that turned in by the due date to get full credit. The next thing I want you to do is kind of continue the learning in Chapter 3 on triangles with dealing with the law of cosines. A bit different than law of sines. Again, still works with non-right triangles. And also works with right triangles. Again, there's an intro video followed by lesson notes video, and then a worksheet to go with it as well here. Third thing is going to be a review for a quiz that'll be coming up. And again, it's a practice quiz, looks like the same quiz and so forth in terms of form. Solutions will be posted here next Monday, and then starting next week we'll have a quiz itself coming your way here. Again, these overviews will be posted on Tuesday mornings. Just kind of works better for me and my schedule and so forth here. So hope you're all well. Please stay in contact with your teacher and be engaged and working on items that your teachers are expecting. So hope you're well. We can get through this. I'm doing fine, and have a good week.